Alright guys, I'm just going to make a quick video on the trim to get them on your Simrad Evos. I already have the interface, engine interface cord, which is here for you guys who are looking for that. It's right above the back side of the motor. There's a quick connect here for your mechanic, and that's where it is. So now, if you want to do the trim selector, it's going to be inside the fuse box. So give me a minute, I'm going to open that up and I'll be right back with you. This is the wire we got from Suzuki. You got to make sure you have the engine in and the engine end. There's the model number. You can see it. So 2016 motors. But on this, there's this guy. It's like a pigtail. That goes to your trim selector. So it took me a while to find this. This is why I'm making this video. If you come into your fuse panel, which is all in here, you come all the way down into here, and you have this one here. I'm trying to get to it here without breaking it. But on one end, it's black and then white with a yellow stripe. You have to disconnect that guy. Okay, so I'll be back once I do that. Essentially all you're doing is a flathead screwdriver in there. Show you this guy here. Flathead screwdriver will open up that guy. Alright, back quick. Alright, so once you undo that, then you've got this guy here. That's the one you're looking for. The back end of it, it's a black, a white with a yellow stripe, if you can see that. We are just going to plug in this guy, which comes off your engine adapter, engine interface. I'm going to do that, and I'll show you what's next. Alright, and finally, once everything's installed, you have to make sure your keys are in the on position, because the interfaces will not read unless they are. You're going to go to Settings, you're going to go to Network, you're going to go to Device List, you're going to go down to each of your Suzuki interfaces. You're then going to go to Calibrate. Just hit the Calibrate button, it'll tell you fully raised. So we're raising the motor. Okay, it's done. Gonna hit OK. Fully lower. Okay, it's done. Now you're calibrated, so you get out of that menu. There's plenty of other videos to tell you how to set up your gauges on your Simrads. If not, just comment and I'll make one real quick. But essentially, I have a drive with a map, share, and a gauge, right? So, and on that, this is the information I want, right? So, RPMs, miles per hour, just in case there's a oh shit and someone's got to have a heart attack or something. Distance till destination, time till destination, depth. I'm pulling combined fuel economy, which is awesome, water temperature, steer, trim, distance till destination, trim. So if your motors are synced, these are 2016 Suzuki motors. I'm going to trim them up. Booyah, bitches. That right there is what I've been looking for. Now, if only somebody at Suzuki and Simrad would make videos like this so we all didn't pull our hairs out.